Today we are going to learn how to connect your robot using Wi-Fi and create a simple Teleup program. Okay, so if you want to connect your robot to your computer and your driver station, to find your Wi-Fi stuff, you're going to click on the Rev hardware client, open it up, and once it's open, you should see your control hub pop up, and that'll be the name of it. So you have to plug in your control hub into your computer to do this. So then you click on it, and then go over to Program and Manage, and this will be the name of the Wi-Fi, and this will be your Wi-Fi password. You're going to click on the settings, and then go to Network, and go to Wi-Fi, and then turn it on if it's off, and then just wait for a second, and then you should see it pop up, and then you can click on it, and then you should just be able to, we've already connected this, but you should just be able to put in that password that you found on the hardware client. And once you've done that, your driver station should be connected to your robot controller. So then click on your FTC driver station app, and if you're connected and everything, go up to the three dots, go down to Program and Manage, and then you'll see this web browser, this thing, and then you put it into your web browser on your computer once you've connected to your robot controller on your computer. Okay, and once you have your Wi-Fi password and everything, go down to your Wi-Fi. You should see it pop up, and then you'll just put in the Wi-Fi password like you would on any other Wi-Fi, and we've already done that, and then click Connect. And then once you're connected, you go up into your web browser and put in that thing. We've already done ours, so you'd type in that entire thing, press enter, and now you should be on the robot controller console. And then once you've done that, you can click on Onboard Java, and then from there we'll talk about how to program.
Okay, once you've connected your robot to your computer, you can create a new Teleup program. Go to Add File, give it a name, such as Basic Teleup, and then we're going to choose the sample program Basic Op Mode Linear. This will give us all the basics for a Teleup program so that we don't have to do it all from scratch. Let's make sure we choose a Teleup Op Mode, and then press OK. Now you're just going to choose it from your selection over here, and it'll open right up. These are your imports. Below that, this line of code just makes sure that your program shows up in the driver hub so that you can run it. We're going to change the name here to whatever the name of your program is. Below that, we're just going to make sure that these green strings match the name of your motor in your configuration. If you don't know what the configuration is, watch a previous video to understand how that works. This reverses the direction of the motor in the code so that you don't have to put in negative numbers if your motor is backwards when you built it. Everything before the wait to start line happens during initialization. Everything afterwards happens when you press the run button. So this program works by taking a drive variable from your left stick and a turn variable from your right stick. And then it does this math to determine how much to turn based on how you move your right stick left and right, and how much to move forward based on your left sticks up and down. Then this is telemetry, which is information that we send to the display on our driver hub that we can see while the program runs. Now we can build everything, and this will download our program to the robot.
If you ever want to run a Teleup, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to plug in your controller into this USB port, and then on the controller you plugged in, you press Start and A to be user 1, and Start and B to be player 2. So we're going to want to be player 1. Then you're going to come over to this arrow, and you're going to change it to whatever you called your program, which we called ours Basics, and then you're going to initialize it, and then run it.
Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, ring that bell. Thank you for watching.